Good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am. Very good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm as fit as a fiddle. What about you?
Yeah, I'm absolutely fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're meeting first time. So would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. So, first of all, thank you for giving me this beautiful chance to connect with you. Yes. So, my name is Sapna Bundela. Basically, I'm from Madhya Pradesh, but right now I'm stay in Goa due to my husband's job. And if I talk about my graduation, so I have done my graduation and a B.Ed also. So nowadays I am preparing any TET exam and learning English also. And I am running a online business, study online business.
Mm,
Yes.
yeah, that's nice. Okay. So do you have YouTube channel?
Yes, ma'am. I have YouTube channel.
Okay. So which type of content do you upload?
Yes, ma'am. I have uploaded conversation type videos.
Conversation.
Yeah, which is only based of conversation videos.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So when did you create your channel?
Yeah, I have created recently. I think it's been 25 and 1 month ago. I think it's been 1 month.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So
Yes. May I know your little bit introduction so that I can know about you?
yes, my name is Kalpana. I'm from UP, District Pilibhit. If I talk about my qualification, I have done my Master of Arts in English Literature and B.Ed. And I'm a homemaker as well as I run a YouTube channel. So that's all about me.
Okay, ma'am. So, what's your YouTube channel name?
English with Kalpana.
Okay, okay. After conversation, can you send your YouTube channel?
Okay, okay, definitely. And so, what is the name of your channel?
Yeah, after conversation, I will send you my
Okay,
channel link. Okay.
okay.
So, sorry, I forget. Where are you from?
I'm from UP.
Yeah, actually, I am also from UP. Actually, I got married in UP.
Okay. In which city?
Yeah. But yeah, I live in district Jhansi.
Okay, Jhansi.
Actually,
Yeah.
I was living. Right now, I am staying in Goa.
Okay. Okay, so do you have kids?
No, ma'am, I got married this year. Actually, I have got married 2023, but
Okay,
I'm not
okay.
completed my 1 year.
Okay.
Yes. How long have you been your English journey?
6 months.
6 months.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. That's also nice. Yeah.
yeah.
And
But
what do you do in a daily basis to your practicing?
when I get time, then I take session with someone, and otherwise, when I get free, then I read books and listen speeches. I watch some
Okay.
videos on YouTube. Yeah.
You have any particular book?
Not particular book means any book when whatever I have, then I read.
Okay, okay. Okay. So actually, I daily basis I what I doing. So I do one page read a newspaper and watch conversation video like you are making this type of, and sometime podcast, sometime child stories in English videos, and when I got some informative sentences, important sentence, then that time I note down, and after that I repeat that sentences. That type of practice I am
Yeah,
doing nowadays.
yeah.
Yes, actually I have been learning English only yes 2 months ago. I started my
2 months.
journey. Yes.
Okay. And in my opinion, speaking is the most important part, and practice is the most important. If we
Yes, yes,
don't practice daily, then we would not be able to speak fluently.
yes, yes, definitely.
Yes,
Yes,
and we have no surrounding, no atmosphere when we talk to others in English.
yes,
Then we
yes,
have to face problems.
yes, yes. We have no environment, but we are creating our environment through Skype
Yes,
here. Yes, so
yes,
many people, ma'am. I saw like so many people they want to learn this language, but they don't know idea. I mean to say, with whom I can do practice like this type of. But they don't know idea. I have a mobile, so yes, this type of.
yes, yes. And through the YouTube, we can practice daily and we can improve our speaking. Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
so what is the your hobby?
Yes, my hobbies are gardening, and nowadays I my hobby totally my learning English language. I'm really passionate about this English language.
Okay, okay, that's
I
nice.
here, but without knowing English language, so I can't do job here. That's why I'm learning this language. Here, Goa, every person speak English language, no matter they have any degree or not. But anyone speak English language. So we face very difficulty. That's why I'm learning this language.
Yes, yeah, it's not necessary if we have a lots of degree, then we are able to do any kind of
Yes,
work.
yes, 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 yes.
Degree is
But it is
important.
बिल्कुल मतलब different subject different and speaking parts another different.
Yes,
Yes,
we learned English as a subject, not a language.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, so
And degree is
language treated like a always
get
language.
job. Yes,
Yes, yes,
yeah, degrees are
yes. So
important for
what's your future plan? I want to know what's your future plan.
I want to be a teacher in future. If I'm
Yes,
able,
you also did B.Ed.
yes, yes. Whenever I would be able to speak fluently, then I want to teach English.
Okay, okay. So you want to teach any government sector or private?
Yeah,
You want to teach private sector or government sector?
yes, I'm trying to in a government sector. If I'm not able to get in to get a government job, after that I will try in private sector.
Okay, okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So, ma'am, what's your opinion like grammar regarding to grammar? We need to grammar parts or not while speaking?
Yes, we need grammar, but I know grammar, but while speaking, I forget rules of
Yes,
grammar.
yes,
Yeah, so in my opinion, speaking is the most important.
yes,
Some
yes.
basic we need some basic rules of grammar, and after that we should try to speak, and in this way we can learn all
Okay.
grammar. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So, as you told me, like you have YouTube channel, you created your YouTube channel. So, how many videos do you upload? Have you uploaded till now?
Uh, 125.
125.
Yes, I have uploaded.
Okay. How many subscriber do you get so far?
And this time not more, but 690.
Okay. So after conversation, send your YouTube link so I will be your subscriber.
Okay, okay. And
Mm.
thanks in advance.
Yeah. Why? Because we are learning English language together. Yeah.
Yes.
So also
And
help
we
each other.
support
This
to
is
each
very,
other.
yes, yes,
We
yes.
should
So
support to
how
each
many
other.
sessions? How many sessions do you take every day?
One or two, not more.
This is my second or one
This is first.
first.
Yeah.
Okay.
So at this time, what have you ever visited any other state?
Yes, actually, I belong to MP.
Okay.
Yes, and right now I am living Goa, and I am from MP. I got married UP, and right now I am Goa. So I am all time roaming here and there. Yes.
So what's the opinion about Goa? It's a nice.
Yes, Goa is very beautiful place to visit here. Here, actually, some days ago, I went to one temple. It's look like a Ayodhya Mandir. Yes, the temple vibes hit differently. So yeah, and so many beaches here like Bagmalu Beach, Japanese Garden, Kalangut Beach, and Anjuna beaches. So many beaches here. Goa is very beautiful city. So many foreigner all time stay here. Yeah,
So
one
did you
day.
go there?
Yes. Yes, I went there and whenever get my husband time, so I went there. So one day I went to beach, Bagmalu beach. So many foreigner were there, and I want to talk. I wanted to talk with them, but I could not because of lack of practice, because of lack of English. Yeah, that time I felt so guilty. Yes,
Don't feel guilty. Yeah, it's happens. It's not our mother tongue. It's the
yes,
second language.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
so we are not habitual to speak in English. So we have to face problems.
yes, yes. And I think like we are fluent in our mother tongue, but we are learning our mother tongue since childhood until now. So there is a
Yes,
very big difference.
yes, yes.
Yes,
So how can we learn a language in few days?
yes, yes. Absolutely, absolutely.